Hello my friends, Angela here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a blowout. Oh my. See, I'm glad I kind of played with it. I came up with this. So a little bit of tweaking and a lot of pouring more and more paint and changing and everything. This is what I ended up with. and I like it a lot. I actually want to show you. Look at this. Wow, what a beauty. See, this is what I like about color. I just love playing with color, and it gives me these beautiful results. Anyway you look at it, you're just gonna find a really nice angle. Wow. So we'll wait on this one. As long as the white does not eat up my paint, my colors, I'll be happy. But that's what happens when you use house paint. It has a lot of creates a lot of cells. So if you do not want to get cells on your painting, don't use house paint as your base, because it's going to eat up your colors. But if you want cells, you want different cloudy looking cells, by all means, you will get a lot of clouds and cells and depth, and this is what I like. But next time I'm gonna use a little bit less of the white. Very nice. Okay guys, I will show you when this dries up. Cross your fingers that it dries up like this with these colors. And yeah, thank you for being here. And here is the dried result. I love it. It's beautiful. Look at it. Wow. What a beauty. Leave a comment and tell me what you would like to see me paint next, because I have a lot of techniques that I can try for you guys. Let me know. And again, I am going to prepare this painting and put resin or just the varnish and put it on my website. I do have a website now where I am putting all my paintings. If you like to purchase this one, please go there, and the website is AngelaMutaviArt.com. That's www.angelamutaviart.com. So please go there, browse, and hopefully you will find something that will interest you and purchase. It's free shipping to US and Canada. Again, please, if you enjoy watching these videos and the process of me painting these beautiful paintings, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I appreciate you. God bless. Bye.